So we're here at the Tesla Installer Day 2023. I've just bumped into Jake here from Penrith, big dog in the Tesla game in Australia, in your area in particular. So what do you think of today, Jake?
Luke, well, for starters, like a big dog in Tesla, flattering.
The Tesla big dog.
We've been working hard, man. Look, I thought it was really cool. I think what stood out to me today is there are so many new faces. Like, it's clear to me that Elon's on a mission to get more people installing Powerwall, which ultimately helps them achieve their mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. So that was my big takeaway. I mean, there's another big elephant in the room, right? Like, what did you see?
I saw something that starts with 3. Powerwall 3, yeah. So pretty impressed. What did you think of the Powerwall 3? Are you going to implement that in your business if it comes to Australia?
Yeah, for sure. Well, for starters, I mean, I think it's pretty important to outline that this thing's due end of 2024. Obviously, we're going to implement it, but we don't know the specs on it just yet. So there's questions for me, which you would have too. Does this thing work with Enphase? Because that's important. I'm not going to substitute the best solar inverter in the world for a battery, I don't think, especially when they're going to keep Powerwall 2 around. So, like, what do you think? Are you going to implement it? You want to see more specs?
I have actually asked questions about the Enphase and Solar Edge and stuff as well, different options. A lot of people want these options.
Yep.
I can't see how it will work with Enphase. The Tesla tech I spoke to wasn't able to answer that question, whether it would or not, but personally I can't see how it would.
Yeah, for sure.
That makes me think that the Tesla Powerwall 3 is not going to be for everyone. It's going to be a specific product for a specific installation, and for a lot of other people, for probably 95% of people, I say the Powerwall 2 will probably do the job just fine.
I think so too, man. And I think like what's important is the market we're in right now is a storage market. You know, it's important for people not to get fixated on this Powerwall 3 and say, oh, I'm going to wait a year and a half, because what's your Powerwall 2 going to save you between then and now? And Powerwall 3 is still 13.5 kilowatt hours worth of storage. So it's the same capacity. I'll spit that out. So yeah, it's interesting. I'm trying to wrap my head around. I think it can possibly work with Enphase, but you're going to always have that hybrid inverter on site. So that would be a waste of resources to have micros and the hybrid inverter on the one site, but time will tell.
Very, very exciting. One term that was thrown around a couple times today, a favourite term of mine, personal favourite term.
Right.
10x.
10x. Right, okay.
Grant Cardone, you know who he is.
Grant, I know the man,
I saw up on the board today, Tesla, accelerate the uptake of renewable energy, 10x.
By 10x.
10x.
4 times Powerwall production increase currently going on right now, and they want to 10x the uptake of renewables. I don't think anyone's accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy quite like Tesla, so keep up the good work, Tesla.
That's awesome. Can't wait to see the Tesla 10x in Australia. Hopefully it 10x is our business as well. Hopefully we can 10x your life with renewable energy.
Keep up the good work, bro. Cheers.